inside the motorhome. In this cabinet before, the customer had 6 volt AGM batteries, an inverter and a couple of other things. Now what he had problems with is he had no storage. This is quite a deep cabinet and it was full of all his electrics before, taking up a lot of space, and it was a waste of space. The customers had to go and put a roof storage box to try and fit everything in 1 or 2. So we've ripped out all these batteries, neatened everything up, put the batteries and the inverter outside in that cabinet that you've seen earlier in this video, and it's given the customer back his storage room. But we've got a few things mounted in here. We've got the Invicta 85 amp solar regulator. So we'll show you later in the video, we've actually put 1200 watts of solar on the roof of this to be able to charge those 2 Invicta lithium batteries back up to 100% efficiently. And we've also got the Red Arc 50 amp BC-DC charger here. So while he's driving down the road, he's got the charge from the BC-DC charger, but he's also got the charge from the solar regulator if it's a sunny day. So with lithium batteries, they like to be charged at a higher charge rate. The reason we've gone for a separate BC-DC charger and a separate solar regulator is to allow for that higher current rate. You can wire the solar through the BC-DC charger itself, but you're only going to get what the BC-DC charger is capable of outputting. With 2 separate units, you can get up to 60 amps of charge from the solar panels on the roof, plus the 50 amps of charge from the BC-DC charger, giving that battery its sufficient charge that it needs to get it back up to its 100%.